Look at this.
How you gonna rate this?
10 out of 10. Same. I rate this a 10 out of 10. It is amazing.
Let's see how stretchy it is.
Okay.
Oh my god, deep dish.
Taste this because the cheese is literally oozing out of it.
Bite, let me see.
So I don't know if I'll be able to bite it. Oh, I can pick it up. Okay, guys, look at this. Mmm. It's so cheesy. Cheesy than normal cheese.
Look at all that cheese.
Oh my god.
What? So guys, I'm getting ready to taste this.
Stretch it, stretch it. Let's go on 1 to 10.
This definitely is top towards a 10 because I've never had something like this in my life.
Alright, let's see. How you gonna rate this?
10 out of 10. Same. I rate this a 10 out of 10. It is amazing.
Let's see how stretchy it is.
Okay.
Oh my god, deep dish Chicago pizza. Alright.
Oh, like this is definitely a 10 because I've never had it before and it's amazing. I like it. It's great, tasty.
So good. Good. Amazing. It's called Giordano's Pizza. It's amazing Chicago pizza. If you're looking for the best Chicago pizza, best Chicago pizza in Orlando. If you like deep dish, and I recommend you try it one time. So good.